guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using this NYX A Wavy Glow palette, and I'm going to be creating this eye look with it. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with this NYX Full Coverage Concealer and a concealer brush. Just going to conceal my lids to kind of have this act as a base for the eyeshadow. Then I'm just going to take some translucent powder and set my lids. This is the palette that we're using. These are all the different pretty shades. This palette really is so pretty. As a base, I'm going to apply, there's no names, so I'm just going to apply this light cream shade all over my lids. Next, I'm going into this shade right here on the end, and I'm just applying that to my crease. Now I'm going to use this shade over here, apply that to my crease. I'm just trying to deepen up my crease. And then I'm going to take this burgundy color and I'm applying that into the crease. Now I'm going to go back in with my concealer and just sort of cut my crease. And at the end here, I'm just going to flick it out like that. Now I'm going to go into this burgundy color and just pack this on to the center of my lids. Now I'm going to go into this super dark shade over here with a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this eyeshadow in with the purple on the outer corner and kind of flick it. I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is super pretty, and I'm going to apply that to the inner corner part of my lids. And I'm going to go back into this shade and reapply that to the center of my lids. Now I'm going to go back into my concealer just to clean up these edges here. Just going to go into this white shimmery color. I'm going to apply that to my brow bone. This one's in the shade Lumi Light. Now I'm using some NYX Glitter Primer and just applying that onto the back of my hand. And then I'm using this NYX Metallic Glitter, and this is in the shade, I think it's Lumi Light. And I'm using a brush and I'm just applying some of that primer to my inner corners where I want the glitter. Put some of that glitter into the little cap. I'm going to just apply this with my brush and put it onto my inner corners. I'm going to use some of this NYX white eyeliner. I'm going to use this NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner. I'm going to create a wing. I'm just going to take some white liquid liner, apply this, and then sort of fade it out towards the edge. And then I'm going into that gold from the palette, applying that towards here. Same thing on the other eye. So The eyes are pretty much done, so I'll have to do lower lash line. Other than that, they're pretty much done. Now I'm just gonna go do my face makeup, and I'm not gonna film it because it's gonna take way too long. Like, this video will be way too long. So I will be back when I'm done with that. So now that the rest of my face is done, I'm gonna go in with this NYX white eyeliner and apply that to my waterline. I'm just going into the burgundy color and applying that to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to apply some lashes. This is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I plan on doing more looks that are a little bit more out there. But yeah, because they are super fun to do, and I kind of just like get a palette and then just go for it, and it's kind of fun. So yeah, so I hope you guys liked this look, and you guys can let me know if you guys like these kinds of eye looks. They're not just like natural, simple eye looks. They're like graphic liner and like cut creases. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down below in the description, along with all the products that I used in today's video. I upload a new video every week, and so you guys should definitely go check out last week's and stay tuned for next week's. And I also made a vlog channel, so you guys should definitely go check that out as well. I'll have that linked down below. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!